Welcome back to the kitchen with Grace. Tonight for dinner we are grilling burgers, and we're doing one of the best burger sauces that you can put on top in between the buns in your burger that you can find. It is so good, you guys. You're gonna want to try it. Perfect for any grilling night, any burger night, but perfect for Memorial Day weekend, Father's Day, 4th of July, camping. Yes, you got to do it. It's so good. I am going to put all of the ingredients in the description below. There's not really any directions. You just put it all together, mix it, store it in the fridge until you're ready to slap it on the bun of your hamburger bun. Let's just jump in. Okay, I am going to start with some mayo. About a half a cup or so of mayo. If you wanted to, you could swap that out for some Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. But I don't recommend it. I feel like the tanginess of the mayo it adds what is needed for this sauce. Okay. Start with ketchup. You're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. We're not big on ketchup in our family, especially on burgers. We're more of the blue cheese or some good mustard with onions style burgers. Our kids like to eat them plain because they're silly. We're going to grab some Dijon mustard. If you're looking for some other great grilling recipes, you guys, I have some amazing marinades. Honey bourbon steak marinade, honey balsamic pork marinade, all sorts of like cherry glazes, things like that. Gotta go check them out because they're phenomenal. My husband is definitely a meat eater, and he loves his grilling and his smoking meats out in the smoker. So, okay, we need 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And for me, I'm all about the side salads, guys. Regular healthy salads, pasta salads, potato salad. I like carbs, and I like veggies, and I like fruit. And my husband's the meat eater. All right, we got 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. We are going to grab some pickle relish. I'm going to give this a little shake. And we want about 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. If you have pickle haters, you can omit the sweet pickle relish, but they're just silly. We're going to grab our teaspoon here, and we're going to do 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Wow, I said that bad today. Some days I can spit it out real quick. 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. All right. I am going to add a splash of salt and pepper. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my seasonings. I have onion powder, and I want a 1/4 teaspoon. And garlic powder. I don't know where y'all get your meats from, but we always do half a hog and 1/4 of beef from our local meat locker because the meat is just phenomenal. Includes our brats, all of our burgers and steaks, pork chops, hams. So good. All right, I'm grabbing a little paprika. So I'm just going to sprinkle that in, about a 1/4 teaspoon. And then I like to add in, we're using Kinder's right now, Butcher's all-purpose seasoning. We've been putting it on all the meats lately. But if you've got a nice little beef seasoning you want to add in there, we actually mix this into our hamburgers as well. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this. I will link to my side dish recipes and my desserts, because if you're grilling, you're going to want something to go with it and something sweet after, right? Mix this together really, really, really well. Probably going to put this in a smaller bowl to store it in the fridge. I'm actually making a patriotic poke cake today, and we have been all about the watermelon. I did a fruit flag tray. We did mojito watermelon salad. We've been eating up all the watermelon, and I just made a little snack for myself this afternoon. Watermelon with feta, fresh basil, and some balsamic vinaigrette. Great way to use up some watermelon, but watermelon, of course, pairs well with burgers any day. Along with fries, you guys, we have air fryer French fries with homemade aioli sauce, but you could use this burger sauce to dip the French fries in. Perfect. All right, you guys, I'm going to show you what this all looks like after we've made our burgers tonight on the grill and kind of put them together. So that's all I got for you today right now. See you guys next time. If you're following us already on Pinterest, go find us in the Kitchen with Grace one, little strawberry icon over there where you can pin and save all of our recipes. I will have the pin link for this recipe in the description below for you. And I want to know what your guys' favorite grilling night side dish or dessert is. Leave that in the comments below. Give everybody some fresh ideas, things that they could have for barbecue night. We'll see you guys next time.